In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find and recover saved passwords in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, select Passwords and Autofill. Then click Google Password Manager. You will see a list of websites and apps with saved login details connected to your browser profile. Next, click on the website or app for the password you want to view. For security reasons, Chrome will usually ask you to verify that it is really you before showing the password. When prompted, enter your computer's login password or use your fingerprint or face unlock if your device supports that option. After you verify your identity, look for the eye icon next to the hidden password. Click that icon to reveal the saved password on screen. If you need to use that password somewhere else, you can also click the copy icon to copy it and then paste it where needed. If you do not see the login you need, it may mean the password was never saved in Chrome, or it may be stored under a different website variation. In that case, check the list carefully before assuming it is missing. That covers everything you need to know.